So Caitlin, you're first about the block and it is
raining. And these are not normal raindrops either.
You guys ready?
They're not normal
raindrops.
They are glorious.
The boys are over there somewhere. Where we're gonna be is right there. But you see, it's raining. It's raining a lot, and people have stuff over their heads, and there's a soccer field over there. And but we're gonna have an awesome time. We're in Chinatown. Taxi.
Let's go to
Yum. But anyway, take a.
Oh, look at little
What's up,
Tom.
everyone? This is Dami Jew right here. Yeah.
Oh wow, look at her. Look at her. Shut your stuff. Wow, this is so clear.
Wait, ready? Wait, ready? Come on.
What are you about to do?
Oh.
Oh.
Wait, no. Oh, you're right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
When last time that way.
I wish I could do that.
That's right. For Jesus.